We would like to present to you a series of educational videos on working with Kaspersky Anti Targeted Attack platform and Kaspersky Endpoint Detection and Response Expert. This video will demonstrate how to install the sensor module that is included in KATA and Kaspersky EDR Expert. It will be installed in VMware virtual infrastructure. The provided Ubuntu ISO image is used as a distribution package. Specify the virtual machine settings to install the product. This amount of resources is recommended only for testing purposes. For an accurate estimate of your installation requirements, you can always contact Kaspersky engineers. Important note: if the application is deployed to a virtual platform, you will need 10% more CPU resources than when deploying the application to a physical server. The thick provision disk type must be selected in the virtual hardware settings. To process span traffic, two network interfaces must be available on the sensor components, one for control and one for receiving traffic. The distribution package for installing the sensor is the same one used for installing the central node server. When installing the sensor in a virtualization environment, you must select the BIOS boot mode. Accept the End User License Agreement. Select Sensor Mode for installation. Select the disk where the system will be deployed. Leave the default settings for the cluster network and press Enter. Select the controlling network interface. Enter the necessary network settings for the selected interface. Set the password for the admin account. Make sure the password complies with the minimum security requirements. Specify the addresses of the DNS servers. Specify the addresses of the NTP servers. Installation of the sensor module is complete.